Veeqo Honest Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Veeqo isn't just an ordinary inventory management tool. You won't believe how much it simplifies multi-channel retail operations. Most people get this wrong by assuming its pricing is only for big businesses, but the surprising truth is that Veeqo offers scalable plans for both small and large e-commerce sellers. Pricing starts at per month for the basic plan, which includes unlimited orders, stock syncing across channels, and shipping label integrations. The growth plan costs per month, adding features like batch shipping, advanced reporting, and multi-warehouse support. Most people overlook that these features help prevent stockouts, reduce overselling, and save time on daily operational tasks, benefits that often justify the cost quickly. Veeqo integrates with major platforms like Shopify, Amazon, eBay, and more. You won't believe how much this automation reduces errors in inventory tracking and fulfillment. Additionally, Veeqo offers support, so any hiccups in order management are resolved quickly, keeping customer satisfaction high. In conclusion, Veeqo's pricing reflects the value of streamlining complex inventory and shipping operations. For e-commerce businesses that sell across multiple channels, the time saved and errors prevented can offset the subscription cost many times over. It's an investment in efficiency, accuracy, and scalability for any growing online retailer.